Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online class. Listen children, now you learn about round of numbers. What is that? Round of numbers. You want to buy, for example, buy one chappal mean the chappal price 299. So all the your elders, your father, mother say not in the 299. Roundly you have to say 300. What is that? 300. The 1 rupee 55 you have to balance mean you have to tell the others, you have to round off your numbers. Okay. Now you listen children, round off to the nearest tens. Round off to the nearest tens. Listen carefully. Now listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Listen these numbers in 5 below 5 you have to below 5 numbers you get. Listen, this 1, 2, 4, 4. Below 5 numbers you have in the ones place, you get the, what are in the numbers? Here 47. Okay, now this is 47. In ones, you want to nearest tens. Nearest tens mean what? 4 is the tens place. So you want to round off tens place. You want to round off tens place mean you look at the ones place. In your ones place, before 5, for example 4 3 2 1 is there mean you write the number, this 4 as it is you have to write the 4, this ones place have to 0. Okay, for example 42 means the ones place is what? 2. So below 5 you have to, your answer is 40. You get the answer 40. The tens place number as it is you have to write. The ones place is 0. But in this case 5 above. 5 and above means 5 and above means what do you say? Listen, in this ones place 5 and above means you 1 in add with tens place. You 1 add in tens place. So 4 plus 1 what? 5. In the ones place digit 0. Are you understood children? Now move on to the next example. So you have to clear about that. You want to only nearest tens only. You also here 100 place also. So you don't touch the 100 place. You as it is you have to write in the 100 place. Now move on to the tens place. Tens place you want to round off. So look at in the ones place. So 5. 5 and above means what? Listen, here the you have to write in the 100 place as it is you have to write 3. Then look at the tens place you want to round off. You want to round off tens place mean look at ones place 5. So 5 means what? You add 1 in the tens place. So 9. 8 plus 1 9. The ones place is 0. Now move on to the next sum. Here 1000 place also. So don't touch the thousands place and 100 place. Only you have round off only in the tens place only. So here listen, tens place 8. So you want to look at the ones place. Ones place 5 above. So one number add in the tens place. So 8 plus 1 what? 9. In the ones place 0. Are you okay children? Now move on to the next sum. You don't touch the thousands place and 100 place. Look at, you want to round off only in the tens place only. You look at the ones place 5 below. 5 below 3. So 5 below means what? What are the number in the tens place? You write as it is and the ones place is 0. Are you okay children? Now move on to the next Roman. Here round off to the nearest 100. What is that? Nearest 100. Listen, you want to nearest 100 means look at the tens place. Here 100 is 2. Tens place is what? 3. Below 3. Below 5. Below 5. So you write as it is in the 100 place. Rest of the tens place, ones place is 0. Are you okay? Now move on to the next sum. Thousands place don't touch because you nearest 100 only. You nearest 100. So you want to nearest 100 mean look at the tens place. Look at the tens place. Listen this 5 below. So you write as it is in the 8. Rest of the ones place, sorry tens place and ones place are 0. Are you okay? Now listen, you don't touch the thousands place. Now you want to round off the 100 place. So look at the tens place, 5. 5 and above means you add 1 in the 100 place. So 0 plus 1 what? 1. Rest of the tens place and ones place are 0. Okay. Now look at the next sum. Listen, you don't touch the thousands place. Now listen, you want to round off the 100 place. So you look at the tens place. 5 above. 7, what is the number 7? 5 above. So you add 1 in the 100 place. So 7 plus 1 what? 8. Then rest of the two digits are? Rest of the two digits are 0. Are you okay children? Listen. Next you look at the round off to the nearest 1000. What is that? Round off nearest 1000. You want a round of 1000, you look at 100. Listen, you look at 100. 100 plus what? 5 below. So you write there as it is in the 3. Rest of the 3 digits are 0. Rest of the 3 digits are 0. Look at here. This is 10,000 place. So you don't touch the 10,000 place. You want to round off only in the thousands place. So you look at the 100 place, 5 above. 5 above. So add 1 in the thousands place. So 8 plus 1, 9. Rest of the 3 digits are 0. Are you okay? Now look at the next sum. You don't touch the 10,000 place. Then you want to round off 1000. You want to round off 1000 means look at 100. In your 100 place, look at this 5 below. So you write the thousands place, what the number you have to write as it is. Remaining the 3 digits are 30. Are you okay children? Now move on to the D sum. Move on to the D sum. In a thousands place what? 9. You want to round off 1000. So you look at the next digit 9. So 5 above. So you add 1 in the thousands place. 9 plus 1 what? 10. So rest of the 3 digit 0. 10,000. Are you okay children? Now you finish the nearest thousands. Now move on to the international place. Here before Indian place value chart already you know. Now listen, international place value in all over country you follow this only. That is the international place values. What is the international place values? Nothing but this is you now in year you learn only 2 periods. Ones period, thousands period. That's enough. What is that? Ones period and thousands period. 2 periods only you have to learn this year. So ones period have 3 place values. What are they? Already you know in the Indian system. Same as to in the international system. Ones, tens, 100. These are same in the Indian system and international system. Then move on to the thousands period. Thousands period in Indian system only 2 place values. But in international system there is 3 place values. What are they? 1 in 1000, 10,000. Next what? 100,000. In Indian system after 10,000 you have a lakh period. Okay, that is in the Indian system. But in international system the 10,000 after that 100,000. These 3 places are in the 1000 period. Okay. 1000 period have 3 place values. Here in Indian system only 2 place values. In international system 1000 period has 3 place value system. So thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Are you okay children? Now listen this number 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. You want to put a comma mean once period how many places? 3 places. So you have a comma in before 3 digit. Here the thousands period have 3 place values. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 are thousands period. That's all. Okay. There is no commas in between the 2 digit before you don't put the commas because that is Indian system. In international system, every period have 3 place values. Every period have 3 place values. How do you read this number? Listen, you read these 3 numbers joined together. 612. How do you read? 612. The listen, 612. What period is this? 1000 period. So 612,000. How do you read? 612,459. 459. That like you want to read. Okay. First you join these 3 numbers. You join together. 612. What period? 1000 period. So after you finishing reading this number, you join the periods. 612,459. Are you okay children? Now move on to the exercise sums. Rewrite these numbers using commas as in the international place value system. Then write them in words. Write them in words. Listen. First you rewrite the numbers. 5, 7, 2, 1, 7, 4. Are you okay? Now you put a commas according international system. International system 3 digit before one comma. That's all. Okay, there is no commas hereafter because the thousands period also 3 digit. Now you have to write the number name. How do you read this number? 572. What period is this? Thousands period. So 572 thousand. What period is this? Thousands. 572,000 and what is the next? 174. Okay children, how do you read this number? 572,174. 174. This is your answer. Okay. Now move on to the next sum. First you write the number as it is 790,215. Now you put your commas in international system. 3 digit before you have 1 comma. Then you have to write the number name. Listen, how do you read? 790,215. 790,215. Are you okay? 790,215. Are you okay? Now move on to the next sum. First you write the number as it is 162,876. Now you put your commas according international place value system. Put one commas here. Now you write the number name. How do you read this number? 162. 162. What period is this? 1000 period. 162,000. 876. What is this? 162,876. Are you okay, children? Now move on to the D sum. You write the numbers 201708. Okay. Now you put your commas according international place value system. I finish the commas and then I want to write the number name. 201,000. What is that? 201,000. 700. What is that? 8. E-A-G-H-T. 8. 708. 201,708. Are you okay, ma? Very good. All the one. Do it very well. Write copy in your class work. Write neatly. Every day you finish your class works. Okay, children? Thank you, children. See you tomorrow.